Bonjour. Bonjour, dear. Bonjour. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous?
Ça va bien, merci.
Très bien. But no one asked me. Why no one is asking to me? Comment allez-vous? Ask. Moi aussi, ça va bien, merci. Très bien, très bien. So, in the previous class, oui, ça va bien, ça va. D'accord? In the previous class, we completed with the alphabets, and also I shared with you a few French words that you can use in the French class. Oui means yes. Oui, madame. Yes, ma'am. Ensuite, I shared with you d'accord. D'accord means okay. After that, present is present. Absent. So these all things I shared with you, and also au revoir is goodbye. These all things I shared with you, the French words for these words. Now, after that, we completed the alphabets. Did I start accent? Next new topic, relays accent. Did I start? No. Okay. That we are going to start today. Those who have joined, please keep your cameras on. Those who have joined, please keep your cameras on. Joshua, Srihari, 23. What's the total strength of this class? Total strength?
Page number.
Don't have to open any textbook. Just close it. Keep your textbook closed. You don't have to open. Even till I say you don't have to write anything in your notebook also. If you're writing anything, lecture notes, if you're taking, please write only in your rough book. Lecture notes, if you're taking, please do write only in your rough. Yes,
Excuse
Parvana?
me, ma'am.
We?
How to pronounce no?
No. Same. No is same as in English. No.
No.
Wait.
ma'am.
Okay. Please mute everyone. I'm getting some disturbance. I don't know why. Please mute everyone. I am muting everyone for some time. So I am moving to the next topic. New topic I am moving to. Please keep your textbook closed. If you're writing something, only write in your rough book. If you're writing, only write in your rough book. Donc, today's topic is les accents. Les accents. A-C-C-E-N-T-S. Les accents. Les accents means the accents. The accents. That means in every language, we have symbols, signs. After learning letters, we will learn few symbols, right? Example, if we take Malayalam, I'll write one letter, and if I put this symbol, the pronunciation will change to ka, will change to ku. Ka sound we'll read ku. Then in Hindi, if we take the letter ja, if I put this symbol here, it will pronounce like z. Like that. In French also, we have few symbols, and for those symbols, we will say accents. Les accents. Les accents. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Répétez s'il vous plaît means to repeat. Les accents means the accents. And in French, we have in total 5 French accents. There are 5 French accents. And the first one is l'accent aigu. First accent is l'accent aigu. L'accent, A-C-C-E-N-T. L'accent aigu. In English, we will say acute accent. L'accent aigu. In English, we will say acute accent. Now, everyone see the symbol, how we are putting this accent, putting the symbol. A small slanting line like this. Small slanting line like this. And you will be able to see this symbol, all this accent only with letter E. only with letter E, like this. On top of letter E, just put one small slanting line like this. Okay, this is how we write laxo-ague. Now, when laxo-ague comes, the actual pronunciation of letter E will change. The actual pronunciation of letter E will change. Let me ask you, we already practiced the letters, learned the sounds of letters. What is the pronunciation of letter E? How will we read letter E? Like, please don't scramble on the board. Who's this? Who's this? Remove this. Remove. Someone joined in the name of N, 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 M. Who's that? Wait. Yeah. Who's this? Unmute. Unmute. Please don't touch the screen. Okay. So let me ask Parvana. Tell me, how will you read letter E?
You.
Trebbia, Parvana, trebbia. So letter E pronunciation is yuh. And when laxo-ague will come, the yuh sound will change. That will change to A. A. Again, that person is again, just remove that. Remove NM, NNNNEM. I don't know who joined in with that ID. Who is there? Okay, so yuk sound will change to A. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. A. A. Répétez s'il vous plaît. A. A is the pronunciation of laxo-ague. You will be able to see laxo-ague only with letter E. Now, exemple en français. Exemple en français. Premier exemple est école. École. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. École. École means school. École means school. École. École. It is not école. École. Please try everyone not to touch your screen. Just keep your device there and take your hand. L'autre exemple est Navneet. École means school. L'autre exemple est été. Été. Repeat everyone. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Été means summer. Summer. Été. Été means summer. L'autre exemple, one more. Please try to guess the meaning. It is so easy. I hope you get it. You don't have to. Who's this? Again, N, 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 M. I am removing. Sorry, dear. I am removing from you from the class. Should I do that? Unmute and say who is this? Unmute. The person who joined in this ID, unmute and say who is this? Otherwise, I'm going to remove you from the class. And you are not even switching on your camera. Niranjana. Yes, Niranjana. You want to say something? You raised your hand. You want to say something? Wait. NNM. I'm removing this person. Not at all responding. Not camera is also not on. Remove. Once removed, NNM will not be able to rejoin the meeting. You will not be able to rejoin the meeting. The one who joined in that ID. Okay. Now I hope you guess the meaning. Meenakshi, can you tell me the meaning of this word? Can you guess the meaning? Last word I have written on the board. No? Trebia, elephant. ELEPHANT, elephant. See, only same spelling, only there's a difference of like so ague. In French, we will say éléphant. Éléphant. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Éléphant. Éléphant. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Éléphant. Trebia, one more time, laxo ague, and that is a small symbol like this. One small symbol like this. You will be able to see on top of letter E. The sound pronunciation will be A. A. Example, école. École. L'autre exemple, été. Été. Ensuite, éléphant. Éléphant. I hope this much is clear for you. If you have any doubt regarding laxo ague topic, regarding this particular topic, laxo ague, please do click on hand raise button. Please do click on hand raise button. Okay, no hands. So I am moving to the next accent. Okay, one hand raise. Oh, the Kong are the.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation of school?
Acol.
Acol.
Acol. The Kong.
Acol.
Trebia. Meenakshi.
Ma'am,
We.
all words that have even have like this.
Pardon.
All the words that have even pronounced like this.
Yes, all the words with laxo ague or laxo ague will have the sound A. Acol. Ate. Elephant. Dakko, Meenakshi? Dakko? Trebia. Ensuite, Vaishnav?
Ma'am,
Madam?
what will we pronounce the summer?
Summer. Ate. Ate. Dakko?
Yes.
Ensuite, Navneet?
Ma'am,
Madam?
ma'am, this
Madam.
way.
How will you say ma'am in French? I already taught you. Madam.
Madam.
Hmm.
What, ma'am, what will call the hot?
What will we call for the word?
Summer.
Summer. Summer is ate. Ate. Dakko, mute. Those who finished your, those who have cleared your doubt, you can remove your hand symbol. On with Meenakshi. Pardon? You joined late. Okay, no problem. I will repeat once again. Niranjan.
How to pronounce elephant?
Elephant. Elephant.
Elephant.
Oui. Now, if your doubts are clear, please remove your hand raise button. I will explain once again. Laxo ague. First, I introduce the topic. Les saxon. Les saxon means the accents. Les saxon means the accents. Those are few small symbols in French language which will affect your pronunciation. Okay. So the first accent, there are total 5 French accents. First one is laxo ague is the first one. Meenakshi, listen. Laxo ague is the first accent and the symbol is like this. One small line like this. You will be able to see laxo ague only with letter E. Laxo ague will be visible only with letter E like this. And when laxo ague will come along with letter E, the pronunciation will change to A. Pronunciation will change to A. Please do repeat A. Okay. Example, acorn. 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 Ensuite, été. Elephant. Elephant. So this is the word. Then laxo ague is cleared for you, Meenakshi. Oui. Okay, then you can remove your hand raise button. Ensuite, deuxième l'accent. Deuxième l'accent means the second accent. Deuxième l'accent, say l'accent grave. L'accent grave. L'accent grave. And the symbol is opposite direction. Symbol is in the opposite direction. L'accent grave. It is in the opposite direction. L'accent grave, and you will be able to see l'accent grave along with letters A, E, and U. Along with letters E, U, and A. Okay, along with these three letters, you will be able to see l'accent grave. In English, you will say grave accent. In English, we will say grave accent. Okay, and when this grave accent, l'accent grave will come along with letter E, U sound will change to English alphabet letter A sound. English alphabet letter A sound. Just say A. A. Repeat everyone. A. A sound is the laxo A grave. When it come along with letter E, the sound will be A. Exemple en français. Exemple en français. Mère. Mère. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Mère means mother. Mère means mother. L'autre exemple, père. Père means father. Père means father. Père. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Père. Vaishnav, yeah, repeat. Père. L'autre exemple est frère. Frère. Répétez s'il vous plaît. Frère. Frère means brother. Brother. Now, please don't ask me what is the word for sister. That is different. Okay, you don't have to ask. Many of you ask after this, ma'am, how will we say sister in French? Because I heard from the previous classes. That is why. Okay, that we will learn in the and learn in another chapter. So, répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. Mère, mère, père, frère. D'accord? Laxo grave. One more time, laxo grave. It's a symbol like this, opposite direction of laxo ague. You will be able to see with letter E, U, and A. Along with the letter E, when laxo grave comes, the pronunciation is A. A. Exemple, mère, père, frère. D'accord? Now, one more point, that is, when you find laxo grave along with letter A and U, there won't be any change in the pronunciation. There won't be any change in the pronunciation. The same pronunciation that we learned earlier, alphabets U and R. U and R. There won't be any other changes. Okay, only with letter E, pronunciation will change and the pronunciation will be A. I hope this much is clear. If you have any doubt, please click on hand raise button. Please click on the hand raise button if you have any doubt. Meenakshi is having one doubt. Meenakshi?
No, ma'am.
No, then you can remove the hand symbol.
Ma'am, I cannot know how to remove.
How to remove? It's okay, fine. Meenakshi, TS?
Ma'am,
Madam?
how will you pronounce like that?
How will we pronounce? Mother?
Fair.
Mare.
Fair.
Father? Frère. Frère.
Brother.
Brother. Brother is frère. Frère. Father?
Fair.
Mère. D'accord, Meenakshi? Ensuite, Jenisa.
Ma'am, what is the pronunciation?
Pronunciation of which one? I didn't hear you. Which word? Jenisa, unmute. I didn't hear you properly.
What is the pronunciation?
Of which word? You want to ask me the pronunciation of which word? Everything I want to, should I want to should I read everything?
Yes.
Oh, d'accord, très bien. Donc, la première, école. École. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. École. École. L'autre exemple, deuxième exemple en l'accent aigu. Été. Été. Troisième exemple, éléphant. Éléphant. Maintenant, deuxième l'accent grave. Premier exemple est mère. Mère. Deuxième exemple, père. Père. Troisième exemple, frère. Frère. D'accord? Jenisa, d'accord? D'accord?
Which word?
Now, d'accord means okay. Now it's okay for you? Okay, d'accord?
The
Try d'accord. Très bien. Now, I hope this much is clear for you. I'll quickly take the attendance. After that, if we have time, I will make everyone read this. Now, who? Niranjan, yes, I mark Catherine. I also mark present for everyone. D'accord. Now, I'm going to make you read. Just read the examples. Just read the words written for the examples here. First, before that, I will read once again. Repeat after me, everyone. A call. A call. Répétez s'il vous plaît tout le monde. A call. Été. Éléphant. Mère. Père. Frère. Très bien. And now everyone please mute yourself. Mute. Mute everyone. D'accord. La première personne est Ihan Sudhir. Unmute and read.
École.
Été.
Été.
A not t. Été.
Été.
Oui.
Éléphant.
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 Oui.
Mère.
Not mer. Mère.
Mère.
Très bien.
Père.
Oui.
Frère.
Oui, d'accord. Très bien. Ensuite, Rebecca. I will call. Please, others, mute. Vaishnav, mute yourself. Rebecca, oui.
Ma'am.
Oui.
École.
Très bien.
Été.
Oui.
Éléphant.
Oui.
Mère. Père.
Right.
Frère.
Très bien, Rebecca. Ensuite, c'est Aiden K. Sojan. Oui.
École.
Oui. Été. Oui.
Elephant.
Elephant. T will be silent. It is coming at the end and T will be silent. Elephant.
Elephant.
Oui. Ensuite,
Mare.
oui.
Pear.
Hmm.
Prayer.
Très bien, très bien. Ensuite, Anjida. Ensuite, Anjida.
Ma'am.
We read. Acorn. Read.
Acorn.
We. Ensuite,
E.
Ate.
Elephant.
We. Ensuite,
Elephant.
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 Not ele.
Man.
Elephant.
Elephant.
Oui, très bien. Ensuite,
Mare.
oui,
Mare.
oui, right. Ensuite,
Pear.
oui.
Fair.
Très bien, Anjida. Ensuite, oui,
Vaishnav can read.
oui, Vaishnav.
Acorn.
Hmm.
Eighty.
Hmm.
Elephant.
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 Oui,
Mare.
oui.
Pear.
Hmm.
Fair.
Très bien. Oui. Ensuite, Sahil. Sahil.
Ma'am, Parvana can read.
I called one name, right? Please mute. I will call your name. Sahil, unmute. And try to read. Okay. Try to read, Sahil. If everyone is reading and everyone pronounced it already. So try. How will you read that word? First example, how will you read?
Acorn.
We, right. Acorn.
Acorn.
Not acorn, acorn.
Acorn.
Oui, très bien. Ensuite, next one.
E.
Not E sound. When laxo ague will come along with letter E, the sound will be A. A. Ate.
A.
Ate.
A.
Ate. You have only this much sound? Sahil?
A.
Huh? Right. Good. Very good. Très bien. Ensuite, next one. Elephant.
Elephant.
Très bien. Ensuite, another side.
Mare.
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 Oui.
Fair.
Ensuite, oui, right.
Fair.
Prayer.
Fair.
Très bien, Sahil. Ensuite, Arthur Martin.
Acorn.
No, not E sound. What is the sound when laxo ague will come?
Acorn.
Très bien, oui. Ensuite,
Eighty.
oui.
Elephant.
Oui.
Mare. Pear.
Hmm.
Fair.
Très bien, Arda. Ensuite, Deva Binoy.
Acorn.
Acorn. That A sound should be clearly audible. Acorn. See, I am giving that much stress every time. Oui.
Dog.
Ate.
A.
Oui.
Elephant.
Elephant. Oui.
Elephant.
Ensuite.
Mare. Bear.
Oui.
Bear.
Oui. Très bien. Ensuite, Jiva.
Yes, ma'am.
Oui. Oui, madame. How will you say yes, ma'am in French, Jiva?
Oui, madam.
D'accord. Très bien. Read.
Acorn.
Acorn. A should be clearly audible. Ensuite, oui. Elephant.
Telephone.
Elephant.
Telephone.
We. Ensuite,
Elephone.
right. Ensuite, next one.
Mare.
We.
Pear.
We.
Prayer.
Frère.
Prayer.
Frère. Oui, d'accord. Donc, it's almost time. So I am going to end the session. Okay. We'll learn the next 3 accents in the next class. This much, everyone, please keep in your mind. The accent, pronunciation, everything. Please do be thorough with that. Okay. D'accord. D'accord.
D'accord.
D'accord. Au revoir. Au revoir.
Au revoir.
Au revoir.